Hello, this is Matt Golden, aka Squeaky Pigeon. My buddy Mark Grohe at 2DogRC has all these parts for this aircraft. I just decided to make one up to do some FPV flying. Here is my twin setup, my GoPro mount in the front. Of course, I had to name it Glamorous Julia. It's orange, first made in flight. Got 25 amp speed controllers on both. I've got the standard Dualsky Xm3536 CA-6. It's a 1330 kV. Wing setup. Access port for the servos. These are standard analog servos. High torque that I got from 2DogRC website. Robo Dogs. And in here I've got all my splicers. So I got it set up that I can run one 4-cell lithium polymer battery or else two 1300 3-cells. So anyhow, we'll get her plugged in and get it ready to go. Camera's on. Perfection. Good job, Mark. I love the parts you sell me.